I would like to deliver a message that has come directly from our father, our brother, our uncle, the man of the people, the man that believes in the cause of this Yoruba nation without no resolute and no going back. The man that has stand his ground, that have said that his people will not be marginalized, his people will not be killed. And that is one and only Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. This message goes to all the mainstream media, the print media, and all the bloggers around the world. This message is coming directly from Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. He has asked me to say to the world that the present situation that you might have been hearing from different paper, mainstream media, and bloggers, that he remained firm and he remained to the cause of the Yoruba nation. He has also said that Professor Banji Akintoye, that has been a father and also stand for the Yoruba people, that he, Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, shall stand firmly behind Professor Banji Akintoye and also the Ilana Omo Oodua, and also to say to every sons and daughters of Yoruba around the world that he believes in Professor Banji Akintoye and also the Yoruba Nation movement. Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, that have asked me to deliver the message as a spokesman for him, that nothing has changed his way and his belief to free his people that are Yoruba from being marginalized and also being killed within the Southwest. Chief Sunday Adeyemo has said to me to deliver the message that also this legal representative hasn't changed as well. For the benefit of those of you that might not know, that the only person that is legal representative and his lawyer is our father, Chief Yomi Aliu, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. He has also asked me to tell everybody that whatever message that has come through from Pelumi Olajengbesi has not come directly from him. He has also said to me to say to the world that Pelumi Olajengbesi, that we should not allow that to distract us, to also we should remain focused, because Pelumi Olajengbesi has always represented the 12 Yorubas that were detained from his house. At no point has he ever met with Pelumi Olajengbesi. And we should not allow whatever is going between what he believes to distract us from what we believe for the movement of the Yoruba nation, and also the belief that we have with our father, Professor Banji Akintoye. Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, today the 2nd of January 2022, has asked me to say to everybody that yes, a lot of you have always been concerned for him, but always, like he has said so many times, that everything belongs to the Creator. Everything belongs to the Creator that created him, and that is why even at some point, and this is the message from him, that even his wife and his children did not also want him to continue with the Yoruba nation, and he insisted that Yoruba nation is not going back because he believes that his people must be free. Like I said again, this is a message coming directly from Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho Osha to say to the world and to everybody that needs to hear that those of you that think that the damage to his house, his vehicle, those are just materialistic things of life, that he has always believed in the cause that the Yoruba people must be free. And that is why he has asked me to come back out again to deliver the message to the world, and especially to say to those that are thinking prior to now that Pelumi Olajengbesi was always the lawyer to the 12 people that were taken away by the DSS, but he was never his lawyer. And again, fanfani gbogbo èèyàn ọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire, bàbá wa olóyè wa Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho Osha, àwọn ló rán mi sí yín, àwọn ló ní pé kí n jáde kí n padà wá sọ fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pé a gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ kí gbogbo awuyewuye tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ láti ìjọ Jímọ̀ títí di wákàtí pé ká lọ fọkàn balẹ̀, nítorí pé gbogbo tí Professor Banji Akintoye bá ti ń ṣe làwọn faramọ́. Gbogbo tí bàbá wa Professor Banji Akintoye the emeritus, bàbá wa Chief Sunday Adeyemo, wọ́n ní kí n sọ fún yín pé àwọn faramọ́, àwọn fọkàn sí, àwọn fara sí, àwọn fẹ̀mí sí. Pé bàbá wa Professor Banji Akintoye òun ni olórí ẹgbẹ́ Yorùbá worldwide tó ń pè ní ìlànà ọmọ Oòduà. Wọ́n ní kí n sọ fún gbogbo wa pé ká fọkàn balẹ̀, pé lóòtítọ́ lódodo ó ń dùn wá lọ́kàn níbi táwọn wà, àmọ́ àmúwá Ọlọ́run ni pé ká fọkàn balẹ̀, nítorí pé ní àsìkò kan kó tó di pé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn nígbà tí àwọn ìjọba Nàìjíríà tó wá àtáàkì wọn nílé, pé àwọn ìyàwó wọn gan àtàwọn ọmọ wọn, wọ́n ní káwọn jáwọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation. Àwọn nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation kò ń ṣe táwọn lè jáwọ́ sí. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní kí n tún rán yín létí o, fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá rántí, ni pé ilé tó bàjẹ́, mọ́tò tó bàjẹ́, pé àìmọye ìgbà ni mo ti sọ fáwọn pé ká múùfù mọ́tò yẹn kúrò, ká múùfù ẹ̀ lọ sí ibi tó wà safe. Àwọn ní kí n fi sílẹ̀ nítorí pé nǹkan materialistic ni. So gbogbo àwa tí a bá ń gbọ́ gbogbo tó fẹ́ máa ṣẹlẹ̀, wọ́n ní ká di etí wa, ibi tá à ń lọ òun ni ká fọkàn sí, pé lọ́ọ̀yà kankan kò lè dáńtà gbé dúró, kò lè dánù. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní kí n tún fi sọ fún wa létí pé lọ́ọ̀yà kan tó sì jẹ́ agbẹnusọ àwọn ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fáwọn, òun ni bàbá wa tí gbogbo wa ti mọ̀ tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ takuntakun tó ń pè ní Chief Yomi Aliu, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. And that has always been agbẹnusọ àwọn fún lọ́ọ̀yà. Wọ́n wá ní kí n jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ká gbọ́ pé o, ká ṣe sùúrù, ká fọkàn wa balẹ̀, pé ìrìn àjò tá à ń rìn láṣẹ Èdùmàrè, nítorí pé Ọlọ́run ọba òun ló ní ìrìn àjò yẹn. A dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ kí nǹkankan kó da ìrìn àjò yẹn rú. tó gbogbo tí ó bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ Pelumi Ọlájẹ́ngbẹ́sì, wọ́n ní ká fọkàn wá balẹ̀. Bàbá wa Chief Sunday Igboho àwọn náà rán mi sí gbogbo wa pé kí n lọ jíṣẹ́ fún yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní kí n sọ fún yín pé àwọn ò ní, nígbà tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀, àwọn ò ní relationship kankan pẹ̀lú Pelumi Ọlájẹ́ngbẹ́sì. Iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe òun ni àwọn ọmọ tó kó lọ sí Àbújá, òun ṣe iṣẹ́ tí ó ń sọ òun kọ lẹ́tà on behalf of àwọn lọ fún ìjọba. Wọ́n níyẹn àwọn ọ̀ràn níṣẹ́ yẹn, wọ́n ní kí n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún yín. So I hope everybody has got the message. And also, for the benefit of those of you that are still in doubt, Olayomi Koiki, according to what Chief Sunday Adeyemo has also emphasized, that I tell you, gbogbo ntẹ bá gbọ́ lẹ́nu mi nìkan òun ni confirm, because I remain the spokesman for Chief Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho. Gbogbo ohun tí Kóìkì bá ti sọ, Ọláyọmí Kóìkì tó bá ti sọ, òun nìkan lábẹ́ gé. So that message goes to every single one of you that is out there. Àlàáfíà ni bàbá wa, wọ́n ní kí n sọ fún yín pé kẹ́ fọkàn balẹ̀. Gbogbo àdúrà pátápátá tẹ́ ṣe fúnjọ́ mẹ́ta, gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá làwọn gbọ́. Àti oníṣẹ̀ṣe, àti mùsùlùmí, àti kìrìsìtẹ́nì. Wọ́n ní gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá àdúrà wa ń kọ́, ó ti ń gbà. Ká túbọ̀ lọ fọkàn wa balẹ̀. Ká má jẹ́ kíyàn kankan, lọ́ọ̀yà kan ni, àwọn kan ni, politician ni, àwọn ẹgbẹ́ kan ni, ká fọkàn wa balẹ̀. Nítorí pé ibi tá à ń lọ, ọ̀nà ti fẹ́ là tán, àti débi tá à ń lọ, àwọn ènìyàn ṣì remain focused. Once again, a very good evening to everyone that is out there. Jẹ́kọ́mọ̀ of Yoruba land, Chief Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho, I said I should greet everybody. Happy New Year 2022. And ní jù báyìí lọ lórí ètò yẹn. Have a very good evening and good night, good morning to everybody that is watching. Thank you very much. Bye for now.